On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Karen Locasow, and I'm here to tell you about gourd art. Gourd art. There's 3 different kinds of gourd art that I specialize in. There's lots of different art out there. That's kind of what's nice about gourds and working with them. Everybody has their own way of doing things, their own interpretations. Artists that work with other mediums work with gourd, so everybody is completely different. The 3 that I do mainly are gourd masks. I do bowls with designs on them, and I do what we call a shadow box, where I have cut a box type out and then added my embellishments inside of the gourd. So these are the 3 different kinds that I do the most.